help my audience take through the three principles of MSC.
Yeah, MSC principle 1 is about the stock status. Where does the stock lie and all these things we need to know. Second principle says about the environmental impact. Uh, how does it affect not only the environment but also other species related income related to that fishery. And the third one is effective management measures are available or not.
So, how the stock assessment is done based on three different categories, and how the data collection for stock assessment varies for these three categories that we spoke about.
Basically, in India, stock assessment is basically done by Central Marine Fishery Research Institute. They are the only authorized institute in India to give the stock assessment data for future discussions and decisions. And they do majority or assessed marine stocks are currently, we can tell, are biologically at sustainable level. I can tell you the data around the latest report, which tells in the CMFRI data tells is around 87% is sustainable. They look at the health status of the fishery. As I told you earlier, they look at the health status of the fishery, whether they are optimally exploited or they are sustainable. The CMFRI data, which tells is some of the optimally exploited stocks are sardine, Indian mackerel, pomfret, searfish, some of the tuna species, snappers, dolphin fish, shrimps are exploited. And some of the, we can tell some of the overexploited and extinct fisheries are also there. Like deep sea fisheries, Purulus severely is already gone from our fishery. That's all because of unregulated fishery. It has already been exploited.
How data for stock assessment varies for these three different categories of marine species.
Okay, coming to the availability of scientific data for pre-assessment and not pre-assessment, for stock assessment. Basically, for stock assessment, we need the catch and effort data. We need the length and age data, catch per unit effort data. We need the bycatch information data, habitat interaction data. These are, I am all clubbing this with our assessment requirements. I am not just telling about stock assessment alone. I am telling in view of the three principles I have told. The principle 1, in order to have the stratify the stock assessment, you need to have catch and effort data, length and age group data, bycatch information data, habitat interaction data. You should have the management measures available. So these are some of the management measures available. Means if we have some management measures implemented, which are feasible to be implemented, like seasonal closures, like bans, we should have mid-size regulations, which we are implementing now in Kerala, which is being implemented. Effort limit, the catch effort limit is this. Effort should be only this much number of boats required. Area closures, that also we are doing in now doing in Kerala. We are doing bycatch mitigation measures. We are doing now, instead of square mesh, instead of diamond mesh, we are going for square mesh. These are all for reduction of bycatch and all these things being implemented.